Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you a tutorial of how to wear a Moby wrap or a boba wrap or some type of fabric type of wrap to hold your baby in. Alright you guys, so I gotta make this quick. So you want to get your fabric. I'll link below down in the description box exactly where I got mine from. I got it from Amazon, so just look in the description box. So first thing you want to do is look for this middle piece of your boba or your Moby. And I'm waist training. That's why I look all sucked in, kind of. Okay, so you want to put it around your waist like this. And you can do it a little bit high or a little bit low, depending on how high or low you want to be holding your baby. But I'll do it like right here. So I'll just make an X in the back and pull it over my shoulders. And then when you turn around, you want to basically straighten it out so that you can fold it. So that the folded part is on the outside towards your armpit and the open part is towards the middle of your chest on both sides. So it's like this. Open on the inside, closed on the outside. That's very important. So once you do that, you want to grab the fabric and put it down underneath this fat part that you wrapped around you. And then you want to make an X below here, make an X down there, and then tie it behind you and bring it back around. Or if you don't have enough fabric, or if you don't have as much fabric as I do, then you can tie it in the back. But you tie it in the front. And always tie it twice. And that's that. This looks like some type of karate or something. But okay, so now it's time to get baby. So we have baby girl. So first thing you want to do before you put baby in, make sure or look to see which strap is underneath. This is on top, this is underneath. So this is the one you want to start with. So you're gonna have the baby's legs in like an M shape. Put them in that way. She has like this, a lot of thick clothing on. But so you want to put her in there like that, and then get the other side and wrap it around. And then, last but not least, the strap that we tied around us first. Pull that up. So this is how it is. She has like that. But yeah, so you can either use your hand to support their head, or you can put their head in the wrap like that, and you're good. You're good to go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you wrap a Moby or a boba or stretchy fabric to put your newborn in. Baby girl is almost 3 weeks. So yeah, this is how I wear it. This is very convenient. So, oh yeah, like in the beginning, I was telling you, based off of how you start wrapping it around yourself, the how high or how low you wrap it is how high or low they will be sitting or laying against you. So if I had it on lower, then she would be sitting lower. So yeah, this is perfect. I can see her, I can kiss her, and her airways is clear. She's getting air, and she's good. She's comfortable, and she's probably gonna fall asleep in like 5 minutes. Alright you guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and see you guys in the next one. Comment below what other videos you guys want to see from me. If you guys liking these mom videos, or if you guys want me to go back to doing more so the business videos, just let me know in the comments. You guys guys want to see baby girl, I'll show her in the next video. Can't even kiss you because I got all this lip gloss on. But yeah, baby girl is, she'll be 3 weeks in 2 days. So, yep, she's growing.